Bon, as you know, guys, everybody is happy. You see, Deja.
Marie.
Yes. So how was it?
It was excellent. I don't know how to say that. I
Mas-
couldn't stop laughing. It was amazing.
Gato,
Oh my
where
God.
are you?
I'm here.
Everything went well, right? So this is how we do it. We love to make our people happy, right? So Massifé Premiere, was it a success?
Yes. Was it a success?
I'm asking you.
Of course it was a success.
Were you happy?
I was ecstatic.
Ah, Carmel.
Yes, it was amazing, guys. Like, my bagay net. Like, ma pwede tuk back. Hindi ko malpipin bakal dito. No, tell mo yala mo. When fini of
Exactly. So we're coming to you, or call your, I don't know, your whoever is promoters in your area, because we have something that you will enjoy. Masufetsu.